I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want some quick cooking or some quality reheating of food, you gotta check this out.
This is the silicone microwave steam pot by FIRGI. And it is such a cool item. It's got many different piece options for the different things that you could be cooking. I tried making a omelet, which is great because I struggle so much making a nice solid omelet. So you can put everything in there. It just takes a few minutes to cook, and then you can pop it out because it's silicone. It slides right out, fold it up, and now you have a delicious, well-cooked omelet. This was so delicious and so easy to make. I also made a fish dinner. This also can cook meats. I just put my sauce, my veggies, my seasonings, and popped it straight in. This took just a little bit longer, but again, it was so quick, it was so easy, and it was delicious. It really made making dinner on a crazy day so easy. It also has a silicone separator so that you can heat up items you don't want them to mix together. And if you want to heat up anything that's frozen, you can just put in the steamer insert, place it on top, and it really gives that extra nice buffer to evenly heat things up. There's nothing worse than an uneven heated meal, and this just did such a good job. It was so delicious, perfectly heated through and through. And because it's silicone, it is so easy to clean and to set aside for the next time.
This was such a nice and unique addition to my kitchen, and I really enjoyed using it. And that's my point of view.